Anthony.
Thank you for the seat. Miss Williams, you say that your girlfriend, Miss McMillan, broke your cell phone in a jealous rage and you wanted to pay for it. Is that right?
Say hello.
And Miss McMillan, you say that
Baby Anthony's got the hiccups.